Hey, welcome to another prep and pack vlog. I am so excited. I'm leaving to the Caribbean next week. I was about to say the specific island, but comment down below if you can guess where I'm going. My god sister is getting married, where her father was born and raised actually. I know it's going to be a very special moment, and there is an itinerary for us. I'm leaving next week Wednesday and coming back that Sunday, but there's events happening literally from Thursday to Sunday. I haven't packed a single thing. I'm only just now starting on my maintenance, and today is Tuesday, so I have about a week to get everything done. I'm not sure when I'm getting everything done exactly. Today I just happened to stop by the mall to get my feet done, and I've been putting this off for a long time because I haven't gotten my toes done since Zanzibar. I know. I have to stop waiting because I banged my toe, or I stubbed my toe somewhere. And since then, I've been having this really bad pain on my toe. I think possibly an ingrown nail is stuck in there, but I have a band-aid wrapped over it. I've had it wrapped for about a week now. It literally hurts whenever it touches anything. And I also couldn't walk a few days ago, so I just know that I can't wait this long anymore to get my feet done. I'm at American Dream Mall now to get that done. I actually just parked. Let me turn off the car. I know tomorrow I'm seeing my girl Marbles to get my nails done. I love this set. Like, honestly and truly, one of my faves. But I'm trying to step out my comfort zone this year and try different nail designs and, see what I could do. Make it look cute this whole year. I'm not sure when I'm getting waxed. I'm not sure when I'm getting my hair done. I currently have a silk press. I was debating on going to, I was about to say the island again. I was debating on going with my silk press only because it still looks good. And this is week 2 that I've had it in my hair. But I think I want to try a different hairstyle. I don't want to say a new hairstyle. It's definitely new to me, but it's not new to anyone else. But I think I want to try French curl braids. I was thinking about getting bohemian braids, but I don't want to deal with the boho. Not after my last trip. I think I'm okay. I think I'm good. But with the French curl, the curls are only at the ends and not throughout the hair. So I think I feel a little bit better about that. And I actually bought the French curl hair not too long ago, just the other day. So I don't know when I'm going to get that done, only because I didn't book an appointment with the girl that I usually go to, and I honestly don't feel like going to the Bronx to get my hair braided. So I'm trying this spot out in Jersey. It's actually a 24-hour African hair braiding salon. They're open 24 hours. So I can literally get up and go whenever I want. I can leave the house at 2 a.m. and get my hair done. I feel like that's why I'm not stressing so much about my hair, because I know I leave Wednesday. I can wash my hair literally Wednesday night and just go get my hair braided. Monday night and go get my hair braided. I also have a really, really, really busy week this week. So I'm trying to find time for everything and trying to make sure that I still have my mind in the right place, because I literally have an event today. I have to edit more videos because I'm posting 2 times a week now. I literally have a staycation with a brand this Thursday to Friday. Saturday, my boyfriend and I, we're celebrating our anniversary and pre-Valentine's Day because I won't be here for Valentine's Day. That's when the wedding weekend is. But good thing is, by the time this vlog is up, everything else that I said that's happening this week will already be up, hopefully. I don't want to waste any more time because, like I said, I do have an event later today. And I also have to try to find an outfit for my staycation this week for dinner. So I'm just going to go in, get my feet done. I don't know if I'll be able to record because last time I brought my camera in there, the lady literally dropped my feet to get her manager to ask me not to record her face, even though I wasn't recording her face. I was just getting my feet. And at the time I didn't know how to work my camera. So I don't know if I want to speak up and say, hey, is it okay if I record, or if I just want to get my feet done and over with. I don't know, but we'll see what happens. Today is nail day. Let's go and get a new set. I'm back home from getting my nails done. Let me show you how they look. I'm actually obsessed with how my nails came out. I'm waiting for my mom to get home from work because we are going back to the mall. I don't know if I mentioned, but I did not put my stuff together. There is an itinerary, an event list. I'm going to read it and see what I have to get for what. I have my phone here. We arrive on Wednesday. On Thursday, there's a pool party. On Friday is the welcome party, the day before the wedding. Saturday is the wedding day. I do have my dress for that. I need shoes for my dress. Okay, I should probably write this down somewhere. And on Sunday, the day that we're leaving, we actually leave in the afternoon so we could still attend this event. It's a farewell brunch, I believe. It says farewell festivities. Nevertheless, I'm still excited. I'm so excited. I just love weddings. So I guess now I'm going to see what I have and see what I need to buy. I also still haven't fully unpacked from Zanzibar, and there's a few outfits that I didn't wear, so I will be bringing it with me on this trip. And if you didn't watch my Zanzibar vlog, I'd highly recommend that you do. I mean, I love it. It's one of my favorite vlogs to date. It's also a vlog that's doing very well, or a video that's doing very well that has nothing to do with my hair, which I am super grateful for. And it literally gave me the boost of confidence that I needed to put out other videos other than hair care, even though I do hair a lot. But it seemed like you guys really liked that video, and it's just everything to me. Like, you have no idea. I also put that video together in one day, mind you, because I wanted that to be my last video for 2023, and I only had a day to get it done. So I'm just so happy y'all love it. I am just so thankful for y'all and all of your support. But with all that being said, I do have about an hour until my mom gets home, so we can run to the mall, do some shopping, and I think that's all I'm doing for today. Bag secured. Vacation prep, change of plans. My bed currently looks like this because I'm leaving tomorrow morning instead of Wednesday. Today is Monday. So apparently there's a snowstorm that's going to affect our flight on Wednesday, and there's only one flight a day. So we got to exchange our flight for tomorrow morning. And yeah, my hair is not done. I just came from getting waxed. I forgot my camera because I literally ran out the house after we changed our flight. I still have to go to the mall, return some stuff, pack, and get my hair done. The reason why I'm so chill about not having my hair done right now is because I found a new spot on TikTok. It's not a new spot, but it's new for me. It's in Newark. It's an African braiding salon, and they're open 24 hours. Now you see where I'm going as to why I'm so calm about me not getting my hair done. I also have to drop off Brooklyn at my cousin's house tonight. They're watching him for me while I'm away. So much to do, so little time. I officially leave in less than 24 hours. Which is great. It will also be my first time going to this braiding salon. My mom was the guinea pig and she has already been there twice. It only took them about 3 hours to do her hair. And she said that there's also 2 people on your head, so I should be out of there quick, but I'm probably not gonna go until midnight. So it's nice that I could just drive in Jersey, get my hair done, not worry about making an appointment a month in advance, paying a deposit, all this stuff. They also charge $180 any style, any length. I'm looking at my hair now because I know I have to wash it. I'm going to quickly wash and blow dry my hair and finish packing. If this hasn't been one of the most chaotic vacation prep, I don't even know where to begin. It's 1 a.m. I'm super tired. I just ate for the first time today. Actually, I didn't eat all day. My hair is done. As you can see, it happened very quickly, and this wasn't the hairstyle that I wanted. Not at all. The hairstyle that I originally wanted, I had to buy the hair. I only bought 1 pack thinking that it was enough, and it wasn't. They basically laughed at me when I walked inside the salon. Well, not laugh. She did catch an attitude. So I was like, I'll do knotless. I didn't even plan to get this color. I was gonna do 1B until I saw another lady getting this color, and I said, I want that, without thinking. Now there's white stuff in my hair from the gel. Great. I don't even like the way she did my edges. I can always fix it up myself. But they were nice, thankfully. I'm just so tired from today. And I still had to finish packing. I don't think I have anything to say other than I had an hour to wash and blow dry my hair. And then I called the place asking if I could come past midnight. They said, yeah, I just needed to sell them money and say what time I'm coming. And then I asked for the specific hairstyle that I wanted. They said the girl leaves at 5:30. I was out of the shower at 5. So you know how that went. I dropped off Brooklyn at my cousin's house not too long ago. I came home, ate, and now I have to pack. And I also have to sleep, because we leave in the morning now. I had to cancel my facial appointment tomorrow. I didn't get to get Brooklyn new treats from Trader Joe's. I was actually hey today. I was running around like a headless chicken. I'm surprised I have it together right now, but I am exhausted. So exhausted. But I don't know how long this prep and pack vlog is gonna be. even though I haven't packed a dang thing. So this is just a prep vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching. Sorry if it was kind of chaotic. Get into the nails, the hair. I didn't get my facial, the waxed underarms. I didn't wax my legs. My legs are still hairy. I'm bringing a razor with me. I'm tired. I'm so tired. I hope you take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching again if you're still here. And I can't wait to see you in Grenada. Good night.